Hello everybody, I am Kim from Yesterday's Tomorrows, and I'm going to show you how you can turn this Christmas tree out of wood into some beautiful Christmas home decor for your home. I'm just taking this green color paint. It's called Ambulance and it's from Paint Couture, and I'm just putting a single coat on our wooden Christmas tree here, which I purchased at Michael's. We are also going to be doing a crackling effect on our Christmas tree. So just put a coat of the paint on there, and then we are going to be using Elmer's glue, plain old school glue that you could buy at Walmart, any store you can find Elmer's glue. So you just want to dry your paint, and then you just want to put your Elmer's glue on there. Now be careful, don't do what I just did and over poured. So just take your brush your glue on your Christmas tree, and if there's a little bit excess, just wipe it off. There you go. And it just has to be, a thin coat. It doesn't need to be too thick. And just put your coat of Elmer's glue on with your brush. Then you're going to want to dry it. When you dry it, do not dry it all the way. You want to dry it if there's still a slight tack to it. If you dry it all the way, you will not achieve the crackling effect that you want to achieve. So it's got to be still a little wet. Now I'm using the color Paint Couture, the color Italian Ivory. It's an antique white, which I think is going to look really, really pretty on this Christmas tree. I'm just touching it right now. Is it good? Yes, it's good to go. So now I'm just painting it with a brush. Don't go with a back and forth motion or you will not get the crackling effect you also want to. So just in one smooth stroke, just apply your paint. And it doesn't have to be real thick either, the amount of paint, just thin coats on your Christmas tree. And you just do it with your brush and do it gingerly. You do not want to really disrupt the glue that's underneath, because that's what's going to give you the beautiful crackling effect that you're going to be trying to get on your Christmas tree. Now comes the magic. Just dry it with the dryer, and all of a sudden you're going to start to see the crackling effect appear. Now, one tip, do not put your dryer too close to your project, or you can get the chance of maybe blistering your paint. So if you see, sometimes I'm taking the dryer and putting it up a little bit. Now look at the crackling effect. Didn't that come out so pretty? Just beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to decorate our tree. I got these cute little holly from the Hobby Lobby, and I'm just applying it to our Christmas tree, just like so, with my glue gun. And then after we do that, now we're going to put a little bow on our Christmas tree. There we go. It's just a green bow that I made out of seamed crinkle ribbon. Now we're going to take Pixie Spray, guys. Pixie Spray is a light tack adhesive, and we are going to spray our whole tree with that. And then we're going to add these little bead things that I got from the Dollar Tree, guys. And they're going to look like little Christmas balls on our tree. How cute. Now we're going to add another coat of the Pixie Spray, and now I'm adding diamond dust, so our whole tree will sparkle. There we go. And then you just dump off the excess, and voila, you have a beautiful